They worked a great deal to automize a lot of what we do to reduce the manning requirement. When you look at our numbers, we're a little bit over 2,600 sailors. A visual difference is the island itself. The island is further aft and it's smaller. That allows for more maintenance and ideally is designed to increase our sortie rate per day up to 33%.
Well, it's pretty exciting. So it's a unique opportunity and a privilege. It's always been a privilege to serve anyway, but I consider it a big privilege, and so does my team, about being the first one in the class. And we've put up with a lot of challenges in the technology because it's so new.
The systems, I think, in theory, are just phenomenal and designed to perform a certain way. Now the challenge is going to be to go out to make sure that they actually meet the mark and that they allow us to do what we need to do, right? Which is to put the ship in harm's way and go out and fight the fight.